What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're gonna be doing a taco recipe, a special taco. We're gonna be doing buffalo chicken tacos, and these are just amazing in all the right ways, so let's just get to it. So we're gonna start out by seasoning our cut chicken breasts with some salt and black pepper, as well as your favorite brand of Cajun seasoning, also some garlic powder. I'll be sure to put the full measurements of the recipe in the description below. I'm also using some plain yogurt here in place of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, use yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, use buttermilk. Next, we're just going to go ahead and season up our mixture here with some hot sauce. I'm using about 2 tablespoons. If you want to use a little bit more, use more. If you want to use less, use less. Now, just mix it up really nicely with your hands. As you can see, everything is incorporating really well. It's a lot harder to do that with tongs. Alright, we're going to go ahead and let this chill in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and afterwards, we're going to just go ahead and get our flour ready now. I'm using all-purpose flour here. If you want to use a different type of flour, that's cool too, but all-purpose flour just works. It works okay. Now, we're just going to go ahead and take our chicken tenders out the refrigerator, and we're just going to mix them up. As you guys can see, it's very self-explanatory. You guys want to just make sure everything just gets nice and mixed. Make sure you kind of get all the excess yogurt off of it, buttermilk, whatnot, and before you mix everything. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. Now, in our fryer, I'm using some vegetable oil. If you want to use corn oil or maybe even canola oil, that's fine. But I'm using about a full bottle of vegetable oil for this. And I don't like to overcrowd it, as you can see, but everything is starting to fry up really nicely, and it's almost becoming golden brown pretty quickly. Look at that. All right, let's go ahead and take those out the fryer now. And we're gonna start assembling our taco a bit. But first, we're gonna go ahead and just get our hot sauce mixture going. I'm just using some melted butter here, some melted salted butter, and I'm just gonna put about a 1/4 cup of hot sauce in there. If you wanna make it hotter, just go ahead and add more hot sauce, and that's really it. Go ahead and pour it over the top, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You just kind of want to make sure everything is nice and coated, just like any old kind of boneless wing or boneless tender. Alright, let's move over now, and we're just going to go ahead and chop up our mixed greens. I like to chop them up just because I like a much easier bite when I'm eating my tacos. I don't really like a really large bite, and it just looks better. So let's just go ahead and chop this up a bit. This step is optional, but it's just one of my preferences. Alright, now we're going to make our Chipotle Ranch. I'm just going to take 1 Chipotle pepper and just pretty much mince it. I want to make it into a paste. I could have used my blender and just kind of blended up the entire can of Chipotle peppers, but I was being kind of lazy. I didn't want to wash the dishes. This is about a tablespoon of Chipotle paste, guys. I'm going to also add about a 1/4 cup of ranch in here. Now, you could use any sort of ranch you want. Buttermilk, Tuscan ranch, whatever, home style. I'm using Tuscan, but whatever you got, use it. And just give that a nice mix. It smells amazing already. This is like the perfect salad dressing. If you guys are looking for a new type of salad dressing, there you go. Now I'm going to also add some garlic paste in there. If you don't have any garlic paste, use minced garlic. If you don't have minced garlic, use some garlic powder. Alright, as you guys know, I'm using about 3 teaspoons of this. If you want to use more, but I don't want my salad too soggy. I could eat this salad by itself already, guys, to be honest with you. Alright, now I've taken the liberty of pretty much started to cook my tortillas already, but we're just assembling our tacos. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to start with the salad first. Now we're going to go ahead and just add our chicken on there. And I'm also taking some time to just shred some Colby Jack cheese on top. This also is pretty good with maybe some Monterey Jack or some cheddar cheese or maybe even some pepper jack. But I just want to use Colby Jack. It just works and it tastes amazing with buffalo chicken. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle some blue cheese on top as well. If you don't have any blue cheese, this might be a good time for some blue cheese dressing. But whatever you got, guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish off with the rest of that Chipotle Ranch on top. Give it a taste. You find out for yourself. Damn.